Dear friends, welcome to this powerful podcast. My name is Sunil Chaudhary. I am a digital success coach. I teach complete digital marketing, SEO, and many more things. In this podcast, I am going to talk about SEO. If you are interested in learning SEO or doing SEO for your business, then you need to get in touch with SEO expert or SEO coach. So if you want to get the services, then SEO expert is fine. But you can do it yourself. And if you want to do it yourself, then you need a SEO coach. So if you just go to Google and type best SEO coach in India, you need to understand who are the people, individuals who are teaching SEO, or which are the companies they are offering the courses. So my advice is you go with the individual coach who is providing SEO services and also able to rank himself on the first page of Google. It is very important, you need to understand, because you are looking for SEO coach, and the SEO coach who is not able to rank himself on the first page of Google, how can you say that he is good at SEO? It is very difficult to digest. Okay, that's a simple advice in this podcast, that SEO, search engine optimization, can increase your digital presence multiple times. It can give you tons of organic leads. It can build your brand authority in the market. Your customers and clients are searching for you on Google and other search engines. They can find you easily for the most relevant keywords. So you can understand that even though you are able to get a good business with the help of paid ads, it is a good decision to go with SEO. Because even the paid customers can try to search you on Google or maybe any other search engine. They can try to understand what is your product, what is the feedback of the product, what is the review of the product, how is your service, what are the complaints against you. So you need to adopt the complete digital marketing strategy, and complete digital marketing strategy has lot of SEO. So SEO is also done unintentionally. You are doing so many activities in the online world and your SEO is happening automatically. But if you do it intentionally, the results would be much better, right? So I hope you like this podcast. If you have learned something useful, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And please share this podcast with others on your social media platforms so that they can also get the information. Thank you very much. You were listening to Sunil Chaudhary, Digital Success Coach. See you in the next one.